It's your boy Broc. Welcome to the first episode of Higher Learning. And on this channel, we're going to be going over the ins and outs of marijuana. THC. THC is an active chemical that's found in the marijuana plant. It's actually a cannabinoid. Cannabinoid is found in marijuana plant, but THC is the one that actually gets you high. So that's 2 woods, fucked up, out of 1 pack. Fucking sucks. Can't be rough with these. Gotta be gentle. Some of the cause and effects of THC: memory loss, time perspective. Here I come. Then the hour go by. You don't want to do nothing. Makes you lazy. You got the sativas and indicas, and they all have their variations of different type of highs. But we'll get in that too as well. Cracking and popping and shit. Our body have cannabinoid receptors, and it's activated by the THC. Cannabinoid receptors help regulate your thinking, your motor skills, your pleasure, even your time perspective. THC is when you smoke it and you get that euphoria and makes you just feel good all over. That's what THC is. THC just makes you get high.
THC just makes you get high.
And it's becoming more and more legal everywhere. So keep watching, like, subscribe. We're gonna keep coming back and get the ins and the outs of marijuana. About what is THC? What is THC? THC is a chemical compound that's found in marijuana.
I had to hit it and turn my head, man.
I did it so because I felt myself choking. Like,
Man, that's funny as fuck.
so in our body we have receptors.